How does space law apply to all humanity? Have you ever wondered how the rules of space affect everyone on Earth? Space law is a fascinating area that governs how we explore and use outer space. It ensures that space remains a shared resource for all of humanity. The foundation of space law is the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. This treaty lays out key principles that apply to all nations and their activities in space. One important principle is that outer space, including the moon and other celestial bodies, is free for exploration and use by all countries. No nation can claim ownership over any part of space. This means that space is a global commons, meant for peaceful purposes and equal access. This rule prevents countries from hoarding resources and promotes fairness in space exploration. Another key aspect of space law is the prohibition of nuclear weapons and other weapons of mass destruction in space. This rule aims to keep space free from military conflict. Additionally, nations are held accountable for any damage caused by their space objects. This ensures that countries take responsibility for their actions in space, protecting others from potential harm. Space law also encourages cooperation among nations that venture into space. For instance, agencies like the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the European Space Agency often work together on joint missions. They share training programs for astronauts, allowing them to learn from one another and respond effectively to emergencies in space. When it comes to astronaut training and space missions, space law plays a vital role. It establishes safety protocols and guidelines for liability and coordination. Astronauts train under international agreements that promote mutual support. This reflects the legal obligations of their countries to assist each other and avoid interference in space activities. Moreover, space law includes rules to prevent contamination of celestial bodies. This is important for conducting scientific research and protecting extraterrestrial environments. Astronauts must follow strict protocols to avoid biological contamination during their missions. In essence, space law applies to all humanity by ensuring that outer space remains a shared environment governed by principles of freedom, responsibility, and cooperation. These laws shape how astronauts train and conduct missions, providing a framework for safe and collaborative exploration beyond our planet.